Let's talk about lemon. Lemon is a very rich fruit, widely available in many parts of the world and in many countries. Alright, this is Urban Diet and Health, and I'm going to take you through the benefits of lemon. You get 5 times more nutrition if lemon is consumed as a whole fruit and not just by squeezing out the juice and throwing away the pulp. So you blend everything, the seed, the peel, and even the pulp. Blend everything together to get the full benefits. Let's look into the mineral contents of lemon, the nutrients. Lemon is rich in calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, copper, vitamin B1, B2, B6, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Benefits of lemon. Lemon greatly improves liver health. Alright? Lemon water has the ability to dissolve the fats in the liver. As it is commonly said, you are as healthy as your liver is. So the water dissolves the excess accumulated fats in the liver, generally enhancing better liver function and performance. Number 2, cholesterol. Lemon helps to reduce cholesterol. If your liver is sluggish and not producing enough bile, lemon water can help free up the bile duct that has been possibly blocked by excess cholesterol in the body, thereby aiding digestion generally. Next is weight loss. Number 3, lemon water can help lose weight by helping in the reduction of insulin, which results in weight loss. Weight loss is actually achieved by lowering the insulin in the body. Yeah. Number 4, anti-aging. Lemon water contains antioxidants, which helps to detoxify your body, resulting in healthier skin and making you look younger through consistent application. Number 5, fighting cancer. Lowering the risk of cancer. Lemon water can help inhibit cancer cells because of its phytonutrient content. Lemon has certain phytonutrients that inhibit cancer cells. Number 6, kidney stones. Reduction of kidney stones. The citrate content of lemon reacts with the calcium in the kidney, thereby preventing it from becoming kidney stones. Knowing that kidney stone is a result of accumulation of excess calcium in the kidney. Number 7, vitamin C. Lemon is a very good supply of vitamin C. Fresh lemon juice or water is rich in vitamin C, which is very helpful in boosting the body immune system to fight against diseases and especially preventing cold. Number 8, eyesight. Lemon water improves eyesight. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon works together to protect the eye against cataract and macular degeneration. This is Urban Diets and Health, and if you've learned anything from this content, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos and make your comment. We'll see you in the next video where we'll give more description.